VP Inday, what is the reaction of your father when he saw his 4 children for the very first time since his illegal detention inside the ICC detention facility?
Masaya siya. He's been informed of it since Friday of last week, nung 3 na kami ang bumisita at sinabihan na siya na ay nag-aantay na lang ng isa. And the Wednesday this week, meron kaming approved visit na kaming 4. So masaya siya na nakakausap niya kami. At medyo maingay kanina kasi 4 sabay-sabay na nagsasalita. At some point, sinabi ni Baste na hindi na ako magsasalita kasi walang nakikinig sa akin. So, medyo siguro, na-miss niya yung ganon, na discussions, na labo-labo, sabay-sabay nagsasalita lahat. At masaya siya na nakabisita kaming 4.